Hello friends, I am Datta. Today's I am talking about MEDRA and WHO DD. MEDRA. First, MEDRA stands for Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities. First, MEDRA. MEDRA terminology for coding all medical information and obtained during all phases of development and marketing. First, MEDRA coding by disease, signs and symptoms, diagnosis, indications, lab investigations, procedure, medical and family history, and cause of death. And next, purpose of using MEDRA. First, to aggregate report terms in medically meaningful grouping for the purpose of the receiving and analyzing safety data, and to facilitate a consistent retrieval of the specific cases or medical conditions from a database, and to improve consistency in comparing and understanding safety signals and aggregated data, and also to facilitate electronic data interchange of clinical safety information, and to report adverse drug reaction and adverse event terms into individual case safety reports, and also to include ADR and adverse event in tables, analyzing and the listening for the reports, and also to identify and frequency of the medically similar adverse drug reaction and adverse event, and also to capture and present product indication, investigation, and medical history and social history, and also scope of MEDRA. First, MEDRA structure. MEDRA structure is the system organ class. SOC involves in 27 code, and second, HLGT. HLGT stands for high level group term. Is involve 337 code, and third, HLT. HLT stands for high level term. Is involve code for 1738, and fourth, PT. PT stands for prepared term. Involve code in 24,313, and last, fifth, LLT. LLT stands for lowest level term. Is involve codes in 81,885. And next, talking WHO DD. WHO DD stands for World Health Organization Drug Dictionary. The WHO DD is an international classification of medicines and created by the WHO program for international drug monitoring, and managed by its the Uppsala Monitoring Center, and also it is used pharmaceutical companies and clinical trial organization and drug regulatory authorities, and for identifying drug names in spontaneous adverse drug reaction, and reporting and pharmacovigilance in clinical trials, and to use to code the concomitant medications and treatment drugs. And next, general information of the WHO DD. The first, the WHO drug dictionary contains data from in 1960s onwards, and the content of today is originating from IMS and national drug names, and reference by the IMS International Medical Statistics, and the no entries are detected even through they are withdrawn from the market, and since case report might be coded with these products, and also then anatomical, therapeutic, and chemical classification of the drug. The 5 levels of ETC. Level first, 14 codes involve. Level second, 94 codes. Level third, 267 codes, and level 4, 889 codes, and level 5, 5000 67 codes, and total ATC codes involve 6331 codes. The codes are for the drug which available in the market, and classification of the in this system drug are classified into groups at 5 different level. First, anatomical, therapeutic, chemical. First level. uh, the main system has 14 main anatomical main group of first group level. It has one letter. For example, A is the alimentary tract and metabolism. And second, it is the second level. It indicates therapeutic group of and consists of the two diseases. For example, A02 for drug or acid related disorder. And third, ATC third level to indicate the pharmacological subgroup and consist of the one letter. For example, A02B for drug for peptic ulcer and GERD. And ATC fourth level. It indicates chemical subgroup and consists of one letter. For example, A02BC for proton pump inhibitor. And ATC 5 level. It indicates chemical active substance and consists of two diseases. For example, A02B CO1 for omeprazole. Thanks. That's all about MEDRA and WHO DD.